Every single time a major technological leap happens, we panic. We look at the new tool. We look at our own hands. And we whisper the same terrified question: are we obsolete? When the calculator was invented, people swore mathematicians were finished. When computer numerical control (CNC) machines hit the manufacturing floor, people thought traditional craftsmen were going the way of the dodo. And today, we are doing the exact same dance with artificial intelligence. AI is going to write the code. AI is going to paint the canvas. AI is going to replace the thinker. Stop right there. Take a breath. Because history tells a completely different story. AI isn't here to replace humans. It's here to force us to evolve. Just like the calculator and the CNC machine, AI is simply the next lever that allows us to build more and better stuff. Let's talk about why. Let's roll the clock back a few decades. Picture a room filled with rows of desks, packed with human computers, mostly brilliant mathematicians, and human calculators crunching numbers by hand for hours, days, weeks. Then the electronic calculator arrives. Did math die? Did mathematicians lose their jobs and wander off into the wilderness? Not even close. What actually happened is that the calculator took over arithmetic, the tedious, repetitive, mechanical labor of computation. By removing the bottleneck of basic calculation, mathematicians were freed up to focus on higher-level abstraction, complex geometry, cryptography, and quantum theory. The calculator didn't replace the mathematician, it unleashed them. It raised the floor, which allowed humanity to build a much higher ceiling. Now, let's look at physical labor. Take the blacksmith. For centuries, a blacksmith's value was tied to physical endurance, brute force, and repetitive hammer strikes shaping hot iron over an anvil. It was grueling, beautiful, but physically exhausting work. Then came the CNC machine, automated, computerized milling that could carve steel with microscopic precision 24 hours a day without breaking a sweat. Did blacksmiths disappear? No, they changed their shapes. The traditional blacksmith who refused to adapt faded away, but the smart craftsmen, they evolved. They became master fabricators, industrial designers, and metallurgists. They used CNC machines to handle the heavy, repetitive mass production, while they focused on custom artistry, architectural design, and high-end bespoke metalwork. The tool didn't eliminate the craft, it elevated the output. A CNC machine can carve a block of aluminum, but it takes a human mind to design something worth carving. Which brings us right back to artificial intelligence. Right now, people are treating AI like an existential threat because it can generate text, write basic code, or render images in seconds. They look at the output and think, that's it, we are done. They're missing the point entirely. AI is our modern CNC machine. It is our electronic calculator. It handles the syntax, the boilerplate code, the initial drafts, and the raw data sorting. It eats the grunt work. And if your entire professional identity is wrapped up solely in doing grunt work well, yeah, that's a scary position to be in. But if you view yourself as a creator, a problem solver, an architect, or a visionary, AI is the greatest leverage multiplier you will ever touch in your lifetime. The world doesn't want less human input, it wants more and better stuff. We have endless problems left to solve in medicine, space exploration, sustainable energy, art, and philosophy. We don't have a shortage of problems, we have a bottleneck of execution. AI blows that bottleneck wide open. So, stop worrying about whether the machine can do your job. Start asking yourself, what can I build now that the machine handles the boring parts? Change your shape. Pick up the new tool. Let the calculator calculate. Let the CNC machine cut. Let the AI generate. And let humans do what we've always done best: create something entirely unprecedented. Until next time, keep building.